Networks are everywhere, and so are network devices. More devices and more networks means that your edge connectivity needs are higher than they've ever been. But here's the thing, not every device operates on the same operating systems or utilizes the same management platforms. So orchestrating networks and apps on them is borderline impossible. Meet the Unwired Edge Cloud, your unified connectivity platform for orchestrating edge devices, apps, and networks. Here's how it works. Our Edge OS replaces the proprietary software of your edge device and connects it to the cloud. Don't worry, we're hardware agnostic, so tons of devices are supported. Edge Core brings you state-of-the-art connectivity. WAN failover, SIM switching, Cloud VPN. If it enhances connectivity, chances are Edge Core provides it. Our philosophy is API first, so integration with your pre-existing processes is really easy. Edge Wi-Fi is our solution to keep your vehicles always connected and provide passengers the best Wi-Fi experience ever. While Edge Compute allows you to make the most out of your edge devices through virtualization. Together, these four pillars form the Unwired Edge Cloud, the best connectivity platform to manage your edge devices for all industries, all technologies, and all applications.